Assalamualaikum children. How are you today? I am fine today. I am good today. Okay. Today we are going to learn English. Hari ini kita akan belajar bahasa Inggeris. Okay, are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Okay, what is the day? What day is today? Today is Thursday. How about the date? 6th of May 2021. How about the weather? It is sunny today. Very good. Okay, I hope you have listened to this song before you are listen to this video. Okay. Now we are going to remember what is the sounds that we have learned before. There are so many sounds that we have learned, right? Okay, let's remember. Okay. Ah for apple, very good. Ah for aeroplane. Okay, how about this? P, very good. P for ball. P for bear. Good. How about this one? What is the sound? K, k for cat. K for car. And this is D, D for dog. D for duck. How about this? E, E for elbow. E for elephant. F for egg. And the next one is F for fish. F for funny. And what is the sound? K, very good. K for gorilla. K for gun. And this is for happy, for hot, for hat. And this is I. I for igloo, I for iguana. The next one is Ch, Ch for juice, Ch for jacket. And this is L, L for lion, L for lollipop. Okay, how about this? Very good. For mango. For mug. And this is for nose. For net. For no. And this one is very good. O for orange. O for owl. And this is, what is the sound? P, very good. P for pizza. P for pig. The next one is R. R for rabbit. R for rug. R for ring. And this is very good. S, S for sun. Okay, the next one is T, T for tiger. Okay, the next one is A for umbrella. How about this? Very good. W, W for water. Okay, today we are going to listen to a new sound. The sound is, listen carefully. K, 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 k. Okay, the sounds are very similar to K for cookies, right? This is the second K. The second K. K for, let's see, K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. What else? K for kick. K is for kick. 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 K for kick. K for kite. K for kite. What else? K for kiwi. Very good. K for kiwi. How to write K? Okay. Tiang lampu, gunting, patah. That is K. Okay. Now we are going to write K in exercise book 7. Don't forget to make a line and write the day and also the date. Write K 5 times. Sorry, teacher write 6 times, but you have to write 5 times. Gunting tiang lampu and gunting patah. Okay. You can choose the picture that you like. Teacher choose kite. So teacher draw kite and teacher write kite. K for kite. At the end of the lessons, children are able to recognize and sound out letters of the alphabet K. K. Okay, don't forget to snap your exercise book 7. Okay, and send to our WhatsApp group. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.